me attempting to make paper out of recycled paper, me attempting to make new paper out of old paper. Because I don't have a blender, I'm doing this. Yes, I know, tragic. Already made this. Boom. Here it is. Now it's the best thing. I'm gonna move it. Anyways, the cat had hold on. The cat right there. It has babies. Looks like the cat's babies are under her. Nice. And checking back on my paper. Yeah, that's good. Search up how to make new paper out of old paper. If you want to get the full context. Me mixing this again. It's been a while. Nice. I'll get back when I'll finish mixing.